brown butter, toasted pecans, and the creamiest fudge. This is butter pecan fudge magic. It's cozy, sweet, and the perfect treat for fall and winter. This is one of those recipes that feels like pure comfort. The buttery richness, the nutty crunch, the little caramel notes you get from browning the butter, it all comes together in a way that feels like a hug. We grew up making fudge every holiday season, and this one is the flavor that instantly says home. It's got the depth of brown butter, the crunch of toasted pecans, and the creamy sweetness of white chocolate. Put all of that together and you've got a dessert that's both nostalgic and a little bit elevated. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. Butter, of course, some for browning, some for the toasting of the pecans. Pecans because they're the star of the show and we're going to toast them for maximum flavor. White chocolate chips, they give the fudge its creamy base. Sweetened condensed milk, which keeps everything luscious and smooth. A touch of cinnamon to make it cozy. Vanilla extract for that warm, round flavor. Now let's walk through the steps. First, the pecans. You'll melt 2 of the tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add the chopped pecans and stir them all around until they're completely coated in the butter. This step transforms pecans from crunchy nuts to little flavor bombs. Then spread them all out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Toast them in the oven for about 15 minutes until they smell amazing and you can see the deeper color. Toasting makes them taste 10 times more pecan-y. It's worth the extra few minutes. Next up, we're making brown butter. Melt your butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Keep stirring as it melts and then begins to foam. You'll see golden brown bits forming at the bottom. That's where the magic lives. Don't walk away here. Keep stirring until it smells nutty and caramel-like. Then take it off the heat and let it cool just a little. Those toasty notes are what makes this fudge unforgettable. Now for the fudge base. In a saucepan, combine the white chocolate chips, the sweetened condensed milk, and all that brown butter. Make sure you scrape in every last golden bit from the bottom of the pan. That's flavor you don't want to leave behind. Set your heat to medium-low and stir continuously until everything is smooth and glossy. Then stir in your cinnamon and vanilla. The cinnamon brings the warmth and the vanilla smooths out the fudge mixture. Perfection. Once your base is ready, fold in the toasted chopped butter pecans. Stir gently until they're evenly distributed throughout the fudge. At this point, it looks and smells incredible. Creamy white chocolate fudge, streaked with toasty pecan pieces and bursting with cinnamon flavor. It's basically fall comfort in a pan. Line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper so the fudge lifts out easily later. Pour the mixture in, spread it evenly to the edges, press it down so it sets with a nice smooth top. Now let it set up until it's firm. When it's ready, lift it out of the pan, cut it into squares, and you've got perfect little pieces of butter pecan fudge. Let's talk tips to make sure yours comes out just right. The biggest one, don't rush the brown butter. Those golden specks at the bottom of the pan are what give you that nutty caramel flavor. If it smells nutty and toasty, you nailed it. If it smells burned, unfortunately, you'll need to start over. When you're melting the fudge base, low and slow is the way to go. If you turn the heat up too high, you risk grainy fudge or having the fat from the white chocolate separate, which will give you an oily fudge. Finally, use a piece of parchment paper to line your pan. It makes lifting and slicing so much easier. This butter pecan fudge tastes like sweater weather in every bite. Cozy, buttery, and spiced just right. If you're in the mood for more cozy fall sweets, head over to our fall dessert recipes playlist. It's packed with favorites you'll love. If you're looking for your next bake, we suggest our pumpkin spice Rice Krispie treats. It's another fall classic. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a recipe from us. And as always, you can find the full butter pecan fudge recipe at twosisterscrafting.com.